Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle Channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys 3 types of sort of a lunch pack when you go fishing. So a lot of times you would, I don't know, take sandwiches or some like subs or I don't know, like fried chicken or something like that, right? But if you get sick and tired of it, these are some additional options that you guys could consider. If there's an Asian market near you, or there's also online a store called Seiwi, or other Asian online stores where you could buy these items for a pretty cheap price. You could probably get some of these on Targets or Wegmans or other places with Asian section, but you would have to pay a little bit more for it. For one of these, recently I went to a place called H Mart and I was able to, they were on sale, so 12 of these came out to be $9.99. So basically each of these were less than $1 for 12 packs. And then usually you could microwave it, BPA free, or you could put hot water and let it sit for about 3 minutes. Then you should be able to eat them. Take a fork with you or a chopstick. If a boat has a coffee machine or hot water, doesn't have to be a boiling water, you just have to wait a little bit longer. If it has a microwave, a lot of headboats have microwave, so it's a consideration. It's hot, spicy soup, and it's delicious when you're out there, especially during cold weather season. Here's something if you're a veteran like me. MRE is an option, but this is a Asian version. It's not an MRE, but meal ready to eat, but it's one of those self-heating pot. This one specifically is supposed to be Kung Pao chicken, but a vegan style. It's probably so that it doesn't go bad. So they probably put, let's say, like mushrooms and other things in here. So this has all the directions, and probably has some kind of a boiling pack that you put in here, and it heats up the Kung Pao chicken stuff as well as the rice to be ready to eat. If you guys are interested, I could demonstrate by opening one of these on the next video. And the last one, this one is a little bit more expensive, so this one will be, if it's on sale, less than $1. If it's not, I think you can still buy for about $1.50 at Asian market or cheaper, or at Target or even Amazon, you could probably get it for about $2 to $3. This one, I think it was on sale. It's like $2.99 or $3.99. And this one is supposed to be kimchi style bibimbap. It's it's Chinese product, but Korean dish. And I think this one was about $5. It has more ingredients, I guess. It's a bigger portion. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, or even if you have any other ideas for suggestion, feel free to leave a comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys later.